Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. I would like to thank you for really very warm wishes and with the Christmas. And today, guys, we probably again will have to take a look at the euro currency because the situation in the short-term perspective is changing significantly. And our initial short-term setup and bearish setup mostly has failed. Maybe not quite correct to say that it has failed, but anyway, it wasn't able to continue action in the direction that it should follow. So the support is 1 or 713 has become sufficient for the market to push it right back up inside of this consolidation. And right now we have to say that the Judd Napoli head and shoulders failure pattern has been started, now is still working. Also, guys, on the daily chart, this rally, this really fast acceleration, could open the door for this triple to buy pattern. So his market hasn't turned down, and in fact it has completed ABCD retracement right to the 618 fib support. We could get as a result this triple to buy, so initial swing up, ABCD retracement. In this case, the minimum target of this pattern will be 618 extension right at the previous top. It's 111.12. Sorry, 110.60. Because as you can see, retracement is 618, hence the 618 target will be also at the previous top. So we could get this triple to buy. That's why it will be very important to see what will happen right in this area. This is the first moment on the daily chart that will be interesting for. Another moment is we will be watching for possible bearish grabbers. So you can see that MACD predictors come closer to the price action, and on the next week it will become even closer again. Also, guys, today will be non-farm payrolls release, and it really could significantly impact the market. So this will be the release for December, but it will be released already in the new year, so this will be a very important moment. Mostly right now we're interested in what will happen here. If market will pass through this area and continue move higher while taking out of this top, this will be significantly more bullish action than if market will hold the tendency of these lower lows and will stop here and will turn down again. This will be another story. That's why the price behavior around this area will be very important for us. But at the same time, currently, guys, as our first scenario has been cancelled by the price action, currently we probably won't be able to take any position, at least right now, because we need to get the clarity, we need to get the confidence and clear signs what market intends to do. So as I said, on the daily chart, this could be two different scenarios. First of all, this could be A, B, C bottom, D action, whether it will stop on this 618 minor extension, it will continue move higher, some A, B, C, D pattern to the upside. It's also possible if market will pass through this area. Or if market will stop here, this resistance will hold. In this case, probably it will be another chance for stability taking short, because the failure head and shoulders pattern of the Judd Napoli, it not necessarily assumes just the drastic reversal to the upside. It could just lead to the failure of the pattern by the deeper retracement up. But it's not necessary that market should continue more significantly high and taking out of the top of the head. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it not. As any other pattern, head and shoulders failure pattern could become either reversal pattern and could trigger the new trend, for example, or it could be just reach the minor target, just to reach the failure of the pattern and fade out. So, and for us, it will be important what particular situation we have right now. On the 4-hour time frame chart, what we have currently, situation is not absolutely hopeless. I mean, from the bearish perspective, although upward action looks very nice. As you can see, market right now has hit the 618 resistance, moved down slightly, and stands right now below the weekly pivot point. So currently, we can't say yet that the bearish trend has been destroyed totally. I mean, the short-term trend. We still could treat it as the retracement. And this area is very important by another reason. So if you'll take a look at the ABCD pattern, we know that after the completion of some ABCD pattern, market usually shows retracement. But the crucial level for ABCD stands the 618 support or resistance. In our case, this resistance from the A point to the D point. If market exceeds, will move higher than this resistance, it mostly tells that ABCD pattern is not valid. So it will very significantly increase the chance of destruction of this ABCD. Final destruction will happen when the market will take it out of C point. That will be absolutely, but when the absolute erasing of this ABCD pattern. But usually, in most cases, if market exceeds the last major resistance of the ABCD pattern, it usually tells that we can't rely on this pattern anymore. So here we also have the bullish trend. So right now we can't take short position yet. Whether it makes sense to take the long position, well, guys, we still have bearish patterns on the weekly chart. In such circumstances, it's very difficult to say will it be really correct to take the long position here. If you believe that this ABCD pattern, well, you could try it, but maybe it will be better to do if market will exceeds this area and weekly pivot resistance one. But in this case, it's very difficult to say what will happen here, whether market exceed this top or not. So dealing with the long position currently, it seems a bit tricky moment. So, and I think that at my point of view, it's better to come to some logical end with the short position. So when the market will destroy any chances for taking the short and destroy absolutely the bearish setup on the market, in this case, we could turn to the bullish side. But currently, when it's not quite clear and when the chances for possible reestablishment of the bearish action still exists, I think that it's better to deal with these possible setups. And only when they will be totally destroyed by the price action, after that, think about the possible taking the long position. Well, on the hourly chart, we have this ABCD pattern. It's now still stands in progress. Market here, by this recent upward action, significantly increase ABCD target. So stands somewhere in this area, but hasn't quite reached the 1618. It seems, guys, that today, maybe even on non-farm payrolls volatility, I do not know total exactly, but it's really the big chance, taking into consideration this thrust in action and very minor retracements here, very small retracements. It's really possible that market will try to complete this 1618 target. Maybe this will happen even today. It's really possible. And after that, we will see what to do. So how market will behave here, what we will get. Maybe we will get even the stop grabber here. Everything is possible. So currently, our major task on the euro currency is to get some clarity concerning bearish perspectives. So if market will continue to move higher and will totally erase any opportunity for taking the short, well, that will be very important information for us. Also, guys, I hope that yesterday, I know that your stops probably has been triggered by this reestablishment of the upward action, but low was at 107.65. If you even have entered at their 618 at the confidence resistance that we have discussed, you probably should finish this trade with no loss, or loss should be minimal, because the downward action was really significant. Well, so that's all that we could say on the euro currency right now. Market shows action that, let's say, currently postpones the possible downward continuation, and we right now need to get the clear signs of reestablishing bearish action before thinking about the short entry, because our former setup, initial setup, based on all this stuff that we have discussed on the last week, currently has been cancelled, and now we need to search for something else.